Hello everyone, this is the course named A to Z Complete Course for GIS. This is the module 2 and in this course we will learn about the introduction of QGIS. The first things we have to install and set up in our PC or laptop. If we're talking about the installation, the available platform is the Windows, Macs, Linux, FreeBSD, OpenBSD, Android and iOS. And my recommendation installation is the long-term release, stable and update, test packagings for new release. And if you are working on the Windows, then go to the Windows platform. For you are working on the Linux, then go for the Linux platform. From here you can choose the platform whatever you want, but in this course I prefer the Windows 10. And this is the Linux platform, and if you're talking about the Macs official installation from QGIS website, we will see the everything in QGIS platform. Okay, now we will see the live demo for the how to install the QGIS in your laptop or PC. The first things you have to search QGIS, install and download in your Google. Click on this, go to the first. This is the www.qgis.org is the official website of the QGIS. Go here. Okay, go to the download sections and skip it for go to download. Okay, now you can choose this one or you can choose this one. I recommend go to the latest version for Windows 3.38, but you can also go through this, but for practical purpose and for short-term training purpose you can go here. Beside this, if you are if you have a Linux, Ubuntu, if you have a Macs, if you have BSD, if you want to mobile and tablet, then you can go from here platform, choose any other platform. Now go to the latest version of the downloads. Installation process is going on. Just see here, this will take the few minutes. Okay, it has been installed. Setup file. Now double click on this. This will open. Okay, preparing to installation. Now go for the this one. Click on next, accept, next, create a desktop shortcut. Now going to the install. This will take few minutes. Okay, this will take a few minutes. Just wait for this. Now this will take the copying new files. Now installation has completed. Now click on the finish. Okay, now here search for QGIS. Open. Okay, this is the feature of the QGIS, and now you are able to see the interface of the QGIS, and your QGIS installation has been successfully. Okay, now we will see in next step the important things and important plugins and other things in this QGIS, and we will do lots of practical in this. First, go your PC and install the QGIS in your laptop or PC. Okay, thank you.